So why containers? One of the main reasons we wanted to go into containers was to be able to do deployments in parallel. So being able to use tooling from AWS, such as their Elastic Container Service, and being able to spin out multiple services all in parallel. Isolation between customers was also very important for us. So not only, like as I mentioned, did we want to isolate database data and file system data, but the actual underlying code that's being run, we wanted to isolate as well. So there was zero cross-contamination between any clients. Also, we want to be able to easily scale resources elastically as needed. And that's not only scaling out, but scaling in, and being able to make those changes on the fly, being able to run containers via Elastic Container Service and scaling in and out gives us this ability to really lock down the needs for our customers. And finally, multi-cloud and on-prem, being able to deploy our infrastructure to an on-prem client or a different cloud provider, such as GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Things like that would be much more approachable in a container setup.